Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm so glad that you guys are joining me today. I have a special treat for you because we are talking about why you shouldn't sell digital products. And if you have never seen my face before, my name is Candace Michelle. I help you to cash in on your passion with digital products, coaching programs, and live experiences. So let's get right into it. If you are ready to stop leaving money on the table and you are really ready to amplify your message, to take it from just a measly ebook and to take it to new heights, this is going to be the video for you. Here's the thing. A lot of entrepreneurs are creating digital products and ebooks, and that's great. They may get a few sales and, they may have, a few sales here and there, but then there's silence. Why? Because they have left their customer. They just provided them with the ebook or some kind of like silly digital product download, but they haven't really offered them a chance to really create the transformation that their customers want. What's happening is that they have not created a customer journey. I like to think of it in this way. Let's say you have a client, or let's say that your niche is weight loss and you are a weight loss coach. So you've created a weight loss ebook. Well, you have some clients who they're going to get a lot of value and information from your ebook, but they also need implementation. They may actually need some hand holding, some additional information, some support. And so you want to make sure that you have offerings that help your clients, help your customers get to where they really want to go. You want to make sure that you are helping them to achieve the transformation that they really want to see. And so what you really want to develop is a product suite, not just a digital product, but you want to have a chance to take your customer from step number 1 to step number 2, step number 3, step number 4, and then so on. So for example, we're going to go with the weight loss niche. If you have someone who's wanting to lose weight and they download this ebook that gives them all the information, but you have another client who actually teamed up with the coach, or they teamed up with a course or some type of program that's going to, hold their hand through the whole process and transformation of losing weight. Can you tell me who's going to be more successful? Is it going to be the client who actually was able to lock in with a program that's going to give them meal plans, that's going to give them a tour of the grocery store and tell them that they should be eating around the perimeter of the store instead of inside of the store, that's going to give them some tips and some information on why they may be eating emotionally, that's going to help them to, calm their emotional triggers and things of that nature? Or is it going to be the client who just simply downloaded this ebook of information? You have to really be honest and say, who's going to really get this transformation? Who's going to be farther along and achieve the success that they want to see? So instead of just creating a digital product, what you want to do is you want to create a digital product funnel with an offer suite. And if you've never heard of what a funnel is just the process of your customer taking the next step. So instead of them just only downloading the ebook, well, maybe they want to actually get into the mini course that's going to give them some additional weight loss information and coaching and support. Maybe they want to come into the private community, into the mastermind where you actually give more support, maybe text through Voxer, maybe Zoom support. So the funnel could be a low ticket funnel where you have several different offers that are low ticket, but is ultimately going to lead the customer to the next step. And of course, you want to actually have a bigger offer, a bigger opportunity for the customer client to work with you on the back end. That's what we call ascension offers. So you're essentially taking them from this small offer of an ebook or download or mini course, and then they're able to come into this higher ticket, higher support, higher valued offer where they're going to see the transformation and get the support they need. So that could be done through a low ticket offer. You could also have a high ticket offer funnel where your clients are able to come through the funnel by applying for the program. So there's various different funnels that you could deploy. In any event, it's going to help you to stop all these one-off sales, $19.99 sales. No, you're going to be in a totally different income bracket, and you're going to be in a totally different impact bracket. And that's what we're really all here to do, is to create impact and transformation in the lives of our clients. Let's be honest, God has given you a gift that nobody else necessarily has. They definitely can't do it the way that you can. And he's given it to you for a reason, to go and make impact and transformation. So when I tell you not to just create a digital product, but to create a digital product funnel, I want you to key in and focus on your client's journey, helping them along the way. Why? Because each offer should take them to a different transformation, to a deeper transformation. If you want help actually deploying a funnel inside of your business instead of just a digital product, then what I want you to do is to tap in with me below, and I'll actually have the link to our free funnel audit. If this helped, then I would love for you to like, subscribe, hit all of the buttons, leave us a comment, any questions, and I will see you on the next video.